marble collector, I'd have to say at least 500.
That's wrong, I am not. Do you like...
So that was News of the Day with Megan. She's one of our best interviewers on staff here.
I'm great.